Alpha guys. And I don't hear it happen. They say coronavirus in Nigeria.
I dey see am now. Say don't enter Nigeria.
I'm infected though. Everybody feel infected. You go just watch your neighbor.
So why it's
Yeah,
going
we
on?
dey careful.
Like that, you go just be careful.
Now fake. Let me be
fake,
fake.
but that fake.
Man no self.